In this video, I will show you how to turn on and turn off captions on Android TV. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to locate the settings of your Android Smart TV at the top right corner of the TV. So just scroll to the top and then scroll to your settings, open it up, and then you want to scroll down to device preferences, open it up, and then you also want to scroll down until you get to accessibilities. So just come down over here and then click on accessibilities just like so, and then you're going to see the captions option over here. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and click on caption, and from here you can go ahead and turn on captions just like so. Now if you want to turn this off, you can also just go ahead and turn it off just like so. Now you also have the options to choose the language of your captions and to also customize how you want your captions to look from all of the styles that are given to you here. And if you also come over to the text size, you can also increase or reduce the size of the text of your captions over here. So basically that is how to enable or disable captions on your Android Smart TV. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.